Hello again, traders, and welcome back to the Pro Trader Network. Rick here. This is our weekly market analysis for the week ending July 2nd. And you can see here I've got some 4-hour charts up, and I wanted to follow up on our daily analysis from last week. So let's do that first. Remember, we were looking at the inverse correlation between the Kiwi dollar and the Kiwi yen and the Euro Kiwi and Pound Kiwi. Well, that didn't occur. We had some news based on some statements made by Mario Draghi as well as Carney for both the euro and the pound. And so that correlation didn't play out at all. And in fact, if you look here, our advanced pattern will no longer apply to this Kiwi yen pair, and we've created a new structure high coming into some noise here at the resistance zone around the 8250s, and we'll just have to see how this plays out. But when I look down at my TDI, I'm still looking for a short signal here because my TDI is extremely overbought, and now my market baseline is in the extreme. Same thing here on my Kiwi dollar. Look at our TDI. We're in the overbought zone, and our market baseline has now reached up to the extreme right at the 68. And look left, we've come in to some structure here right around the 7350s. So I'm still following these Kiwi crosses, but my inverse correlation trade was sunk by the news out of Europe and the UK. Let's take a look at what I'm looking at on the 4-hour charts here. We've got our euro dollar into the extreme again, market baseline above the 68, and we're retesting these highs right around the 114.50s. And at the end of the day on Friday, we had some bullish sentiment. I'm looking for a retest of this high to create a double top with bearish divergence. Our euro yen, pretty much the same thing. We haven't quite created a double top, but we are in the extreme overbought again, and we have this inside bar forming at the end of the day on Friday. So a little bearish sentiment to finish the day on Friday. The Euro CAD and Euro Aussie have just gone sideways at the end of the week, so we'll have to see if any activity on these Euro crosses creates a breakout here on these two Euro crosses. Our pound dollar 4-hour chart, we've created a double top at the end of the day on Friday, a perfectly symmetrical double top, and look at our TDI, well in the overbought. So we'll be looking to get short there on a valid signal if the market begins to sell off at the open or the beginning of the week. Same thing here on the pound yen, almost a perfectly symmetrical double top, inside bar forming, a little bearish sentiment late in the day Friday, and we have bearish divergence forming right there. You'll probably take these entries on a 1-hour chart. Same thing happening on the pound CAD cross and the pound Aussie cross. We went sideways for the majority of the week, and we'll see if any activity on these pound crosses can create a breakout on these pound crosses. Aussie dollar, market baseline pushing near the extreme. At the end of the day, we were just going sideways on Friday. We'll see if this begins a sell-off here coming out of this overbought condition. And Aussie yen, a nice, not perfect double top, but close inside bar at the close at the end of the day Friday, and market baseline well into the extreme. So these 6 pairs are the pairs I have my eyes on at the market open and beginning of the week. And here in the United States, we have the July 4th holiday on Tuesday, and the markets will be closed here in the US. But I'm assuming that that holiday will not apply to the rest of the market, so we should have some activity in both the Asian and London sessions. And as I also said at the outset, I'm still following these Kiwi crosses here that are in the extreme overbought on the daily charts. Thanks for spending time here at the Pro Trader Network, traders. As always, let's stay focused, follow our rules, and I'll see you next time.